Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to RED online classes. Before starting our topic, I would like to keep the resources table so that you can see what we need today for the activity. Keep the resources ready so that you can do the activity smoothly. So the resources which we need, that is the content book. Next is the notebook, the workbook and a pencil. Okay. Now we will go for the block number 4, topic number 1. Before starting my topic, I would like to ask something. Just have a look towards the board. What do you mean by the word senses? As you have read the word senses in grade 1, 2, 3 and 4. So please let me know what do you mean by senses. Understanding of the world, knowing knowledge regarding the world, regarding the things around us. Okay, good. Now tell me, how many sense organs do you have? 5? Just touch your sense organs. Eye, nose, ears, tongue and the skin. Wow, good. Now, which sense organ help you in tasting the food? Tongue, correct. Now, whenever you touch a hot spoon, so which sense organs tell you it's a hot one? Skin, right, correct. Tongue. Now let me know, what do you mean by super? Super. There was a one TV show also, na? Dance, India Dance. In that also, Shilpa Shetty used to say, super se bhi upar. So what do you mean by super? Okay. Extraordinary? Amazing? Wow. It means super senses का मतलब, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि a person who is having a very good senses, very amazing senses. Means if I would be having 6 eyes, now I will be having super senses. और मेरे 5-6 कान हो, then I will be having a super sense. Then you are wrong, beta. It's not about the human being. It's about the animals. So our topic is super senses, that is sight. Okay. And the aim is explain how super sense of sight. Sight means देखने की शक्ति. Sight in animals help them survive. Means आज हम ये देखेंगे कि जो एनिमल्स की जो देखने की जो सुपर सेंस है वो कैसे एनिमल्स को हेल्प करती है जीने में, सरवाइव करने में. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ डू वी कम टू नो अबाउट द वर्ल्ड? We come to know about the world with our senses, with the help of senses. Okay, then what about animals? They can't speak like us, so how they come to know about the world? With their super senses. Yes, the animals have much more better than us. Their senses are much better than us. Clear? Now my question is, why we cannot see in the night? We cannot see in the night because the things which we used to see are with the help of the light. हमें जो चीजें दिखती है वो लाइट की वजह से दिखती है. लाइट चाहे आर्टिफिशियल हो, लाइक बल्ब की, ट्यूबलाइट्स की या टॉर्च की, चाहे कैंडल की, चाहे लाइट हमारी सन से जो हमें मिलती है वो हो. क्या होता है, जो लाइट होती है वो ऑब्जेक्ट पे गिरती है, उस ऑब्जेक्ट से हमें रिफ्लेक्शन हमारी आईज पे जाता है और हमें वो आई जो चीज होती है वो इजीली दिख जाती है. पर रात में, नाइट में ऐसा नहीं होता. नाइट में लाइट ही नहीं होती तो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट कैसे करेगा अपनी लाइट को? दैट इज द रीजन वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी इन द नाइट. नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन अ लाइट सडनली स्विच्ड ऑन? Now have a look. See, this is our eye. ये हमारी आई है और इसके अंदर we have the 3 lenses. One is this and one is the smaller one. This is the cornea. This is the iris and this is the pupil. जो these are the lenses, ट्रांसपेरेंट लेंसेज है. जब हमारे आईज पे कोई भी लाइट गिरती है तो हमारा जो आइरिस होता है वो हमारे प्यूपिल को एडजस्ट करता है. अगर ज्यादा लाइट है तो ये प्यूपिल विल बी स्मॉल. लाइक आप अभी अगर आप डे टाइम में इफ यू विल सी टुवर्ड्स योर आई प्यूपिल तो ये आपको छोटा दिखेगा. बट जैसे ही लाइट शाम होती है तो लाइट कम होती है, डिम हो जाती है, तो हमारा आइरिस जो होता है वो हमारे प्यूपिल को थोड़ा बड़ा करना स्टार्ट करता है ताकि हमारी आइज को थोड़ी ज्यादा लाइट दिख सके. ठीक है. जैसे ही एक रूम है वो उसमें लाइट नहीं है और एकदम लाइट ऑन हुई तो हमारा जो प्यूपिल होता है वो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, तो साइज बड़ा होता है. जैसे ही उसके ऊपर जब लाइट पड़ती है तो हमारे प्यूपिल इतनी रोशनी एकदम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाता है और हमें कुछ नहीं दिखता है. और कुछ टाइम बाद हमें थोड़ा सा डिम दिखता है और डिम दिखने के बाद हमें क्लियर दिखता है, क्योंकि जो हमारा आइरिस है उसको टाइम लगता है हमारे प्यूपिल को एडजस्ट करने में ताकि वो उस लाइट को थोड़े से सहन कर सके और अपनी पोजीशन में आ सके. Now my next question is why we cannot see the things from far away. We cannot see the things from far away because our eyes have some limitation. We have the 20/20 eyes. Okay, so the vision we can see till the 3 miles or in the kilometer we can say 4.828 kilometers. Right now, for finding out the super senses of animals, we are going to do one activity. I am going to write some question on the board and you have to write the question and you have to find the answer from the content book. If you are not having the content book, I am going to read the para from which you have to find the answers. Clear? Again I am just telling you, मैं आपके ब्लैक बोर्ड पे आपके लिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिखूंगी, उन क्वेश्चंस को आपने नोट डाउन करना है और उनका आंसर्स आपने कंटेंट बुक के एक पैरा से ढूंढना है. अगर आपके पास कंटेंट बुक है देन इट्स वेरी गुड, अदरवाइज मैं आपके लिए रीड कर रही हूँ that paragraph. Okay, clear? Let's move towards the activity. So the question which you have to find by reading is how can some animals see in the dark? Means कुछ animals हैं जो रात को देख सकते हैं, वो कैसे देख पाते हैं? And the second question is why do they need to see in the dark or from far away? जो एनिमल डार्क में देख सकते हैं वो क्यों उनको जरूरत है डार्क में, दिन में क्यों नहीं देख पाते, वो दिन में क्यों नहीं देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड वो दूर से क्यों देखते हैं. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डज इट हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव बेटर. और ये जो रात को देखना या दूर से देखना उनको जीने में कैसे हेल्प करता है. जस्ट हैव अ लुक हाउ यू विल डूइंग द एक्टिविटी. Means the date and the day, the classwork, block 4, topic number 1, super senses sight, and the question will be here. Then you will be writing the answer of first question, then you will write down the question number 2, then again second answer, and then third, and then please draw 2 lines after writing any answer. Our 5 senses help us to get information about the world around us. Animals also use their senses to know their surroundings. Some animals have a strong sense of sight, smell, hearing, and touch. These well-developed senses help them to survive better in the environment. Some animals have a strong sense of sight. The eyesight of eagles, vultures, and hawk. Yani eagles, चील, vulture, git and the hawks यानी बाज is 3 to 4 times sharper than that of humans. Means अगर हमें कोई 2 मीटर तक दिखता है तो उनको 4 times means 8 मीटर तक उनको दिख सकता है. They look for food on the ground while they are flying high in the sky. An eagle can spot its prey from a height of 10,000 to 15,000 feet. Owls, ullu and sharks. शार्क फिश होती है, कैन स्पॉट देयर प्रे इन वेरी डिम लाइट, बहुत डिम लाइट में भी उनको दिख जाता है. प्रे होता है जो उनका खाना होता है. कैट्स ऑल्सो हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नाइट विजन. कैट्स यानी जो कैट फैमिली में हमारे टाइगर्स, लायन, जैगुआर, लेपर्ड्स होते हैं, उनको हम कैट्स में काउंट करते हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग नाइट, उनकी भी नाइट जो विजन होती है वो बहुत अच्छी होती है. देयर आईज हैव लार्ज प्यूपल्स दैट अलाउ मोर लाइट टू एंटर एंड सी इन द डार्क. लाइक आप आउल में देख सकते हो, डे में जो आउल का जो प्यूपल है वो कितना छोटा है, और नाइट में डे देख सकते हैं आप कितना बड़ा हो जाता है. ऐसे ही हमारा कैट, जो कैट फैमिली की जो एनिमल्स हैं उनके साथ होता है कि द डे दे हैव द स्मॉल प्यूपल एंड द नाइट वो बड़ा हो जाता है. ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स, जो घास खाने वाले एनिमल्स लाइक काउज, जीब्रास, जिराफ्स हैव elongated eyes to help them see around the world. उनकी जो आईज होती है, उनके जो प्यूपल होता है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है. So students, you have to read the paragraph again. If you are not understood, then you have to find the answer which I have shown you, and please try to complete the answer. Parents, please help your child in finding the answer from these two paragraphs. Just have a look toward this picture. Pupil, ये pupil है. Pupils of the owl becomes bigger in at night. देखो रात को क्या हुआ, ये बड़ा बन गया. Allows more light to enter the eye. This helps the owl to see at night. Now look toward this picture. ये एक गिरगिट की पिक्चर है. The eyes of the chameleon can move independently and see two different direction at the same time. Means इसकी जो आंखें हैं वो एक टाइम में दो साइड, ये भी लेफ्ट भी दे सकता है और ये राइट में भी दे सकता है. Now I'm going to tell you one more amazing fact regarding the human being eye. हमारी जो आंखें हैं वो एक सेकंड में 50 डिफरेंट चीज़ों पर फोकस डाल सकती हैं. I hope you have done the activity. Now I'm going to show you what I have written in my notebook. So have a look how I have done the activity. The first question is, how can animals like eagle see their prey from far away? The eyesight of eagle is 3 to 4 times sharper than that humans. हमारी eyes से उनकी 3 to 4, अगर हमारी eyesight 2 है तो उनकी 8 होगी. They can see objects clearly from as far away from 10,000 feet. Okay. The second question is, how can some animals see in the dark? The animals that can see in the dark have large pupils that allow more light to enter and see in the dark. The third question is, why they need to see in the dark from far away, as other animals cannot see them from far away at night. The next question is, how does it help them to survive better? It is easy for them to catch their prey. So let's move towards our questioning part. But before that, I'm going to tell you one amazing fact. It is impossible to sneeze. छींक मारना मतलब impossible है with your open eyes. आंखें खोल के आप छींक नहीं मार सकते. So my first question is, what makes an eagle spot its prey from far, and how does it help an eagle survive better? Eagle can see objects clearly from as far away as 10,000 feet. They fly high in the air, and their sight helps them to see their prey from above them. The second question is, why does a tiger prefer to hunt at night? Most animals cannot see in the dark. Tigers and many other cats can see clearly at night or in the dark because their eyes become round so that more light can enter. What helps it to do that? They hunt at night as other animals cannot see them, and it is easy for them to catch their prey. The fourth question is, what is the meaning of having a super sense of sight? Super sense is the ability to be more aware of surroundings using one or more of their natural senses, such as smell, taste, sight, or hearing, which may be more developed or different. The fifth question is, what is super sense? It is an adaptation in animals to save themselves from their enemies, predators, and it also helps them hunt for food. Question number 6 is, which animals have their super sense of sight? Many other animals have super sense of sight. Cats, owl, and sharks can also see in dim light. Grazing animals have elongated eyes to help them get a broader view of the surroundings. Chameleons can move their eyes in different directions and can see in two different directions at the same time. What if these animals did not have the super sense of sight? The eagle would begin flying much lower so that they could see their prey. The owl would not be able to see night too. Tigers would be hunting its prey in daytime. Just have a look toward this picture. What is this? It's a ladybug. Yes, you are right. So my question is, how the small eyes of insects, means the eyes of this ladybug or the housefly or the mosquito, honeybee, get a broad view of their surroundings? How they are able to see the view of their surroundings so broadly? Can you tell me? Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Insects have the same five senses that humans do, but the organs they use to touch, taste, smell, see, and hear are very different from the human being. Human beings, two eyes are located in the front of their head. हमारी आंखें जो है हमारे हेड के सामने है. But the mosquitoes' eyes are located on either side of their head, है ना? This is the reason they are able to see all around them. One thing. Second thing, in their eyes there are hundreds and sometimes there are thousands of tiny lenses. See? Now please do page number 24 of workbook, that is S1. In this you have to name the animals and complete the table. The first, you have to see the picture and then you have to complete the second column, that is how is its sense of sight different from humans. Okay. The next column is how does it help the animal survive. ये कैसे अपने आप की जो साइट है, जो सेंस है, उसको यूज़ करके कैसे अपना जो लाइफ है वो सर्वाइव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, second question is, what would happen if eagles, hawks and vultures did not have the super sense of sight? ठीक है, you have to write the question number 2 also. Your homework is that you have to do question number 1 and 2 of page number 24 in your notebook. The question number 1 is, what is a super sense? Give examples. And the question number 2 is, name some animals with the super sense of sight. How does it help them? Clear? So I hope all the things are clear to you. Why the eagle can see from far from away, why the owl can see in the night. So let's sum up what we have done. Today we have read about the super sense of sight. Can see far from, जो देख सकते हैं, vulture, eagle and hawk. Next is can see in the dark, that is tiger and the owl. And next is that can see in different directions at the same time, that is the chameleon. So before saying bye, there is one more amazing fact that 1/6 part of our eyeball, हमारी जो आँख की eyeball होती है, उसके eyeball का सिर्फ 1/6 part है जो औरों को दिखता है, and other part is invisible, वो अंदर होता है, वो नहीं दिखता है. Bye, take care, thank you. Resources which we need for tomorrow are our content book, a workbook, notebook and the pencil.